In this video, let me show you how to use Lyft Shared rides to save money. Now, this is a great feature inside of the Lyft platform, which allows you to have a shared ride. So all you want to do is, in order to access this, make sure you add in your locations, both your pickup and drop off, and then you simply need to tap on the select shared option. This option would only be visible under the economy tab, and you can simply tap on the select share button that should be visible on the bottom of your screen. You need to select whether you are riding alone or with a companion. The maximum is usually 2 people per group. Now, for better prices, Shared Saver might require you to walk a few blocks to a designated pickup corner and might drop you off within walking distance of your final destination. This allows you for cheaper prices, especially if you have or accept the walk option. So using this exact process, you'll be able to use Lyft Shared rides in order to save money. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next video.